Well, first we're going to open the AnchoDB file. We go to File and Open. And look where we left the AnchoDB file. And just click OK. After that, we select the smooth shaded icon, then go to Load Cases. Go to Create Load Case. Select Modify. Then check the existing cases to see if they're correct. We're gonna go to Analysis. The entire model and to Analysis Deck. We select, we check the parameters. If they are correct. We select the small and then just click OK. The solution type should be linear static. And then just apply the analysis. Select the default stub case. Then we're gonna run the BDF file in Nastran. We're just gonna open it in Notepad to check if there is something wrong. We look for a fatal or a warning. As you can see, everything looks fine. Now we run Nastran. and just select the PDF file that pattern created. And you're gonna click run. And just wait for Nastran to do its job. After that, we're going to have the XDB file. We're going to go to geometry. And go to results, select the default case and apply it. As you can see, those are the results.